So my role at Rubb is officially sales manager, but I like to pitch in throughout the company in project management. I get involved down on the shop floor, in marketing, pretty much a little bit of a all-rounder, but I sit in sales and I help the sales team prepare the quotations, the offer, the projects from start to finish, and just pitch in where I can, when I can really. I think really my professional focus is based around the MOD. So I've been with the company for 18 years now, and I started at the MOD contract, firstly detailing and working on projects, then selling into the MOD, and now we have a single source contract that we're extremely proud of, and I run that from day to day as well as everything else I mentioned earlier. So a little bit of a challenging role, but pretty worthwhile one. Topics that I expect to be trending over the next year, definitely first and foremost aviation. It's been a huge sector this year. We're performing really well there. We've got some good projects, not only finishing off, but on the horizon. I hope that we're going to see a bit of trend, maybe around the ports industry. If we ever get sorted with Brexit, I think there'll definitely be some interest in companies that manufacture in this country that can help out on the borderlines and at ports. So I'm hoping that something will come forward with that. On the military sector, I'm hoping that we can break through into the F-35 programme, the new fighter jet, and support that as we have done the last 10-15 years, you know, with the Tornado and other fast jets that our products, you know, pretty much well known for. But it'll be interesting to see. I've been wrong before, I'll be wrong again, but that's pretty much how I see it. One of the biggest challenges that we're seeing from the clients is a cost versus time, as in how quick we can get a project over the line for the least amount of money. It seems to come up time and time again, and one of the benefits from our products is that it is quick, lightweight, it's quick to manufacture, it's quick to install. It does come with significant cost savings depending upon the specification, which has been proved time and time again in the aviation industry. It's a great option for MRO facilities where people have to move at a quick pace to secure sites on airports or air bases, and they need a quick and flexible product or space to then utilise for their MRO facilities. It's a perfect calling for Rubb. We've answered some big clients now, with the likes of EasyJet, Turkish Airways, AAR, and it's really starting to, you know, send ripples through the industry where more people such as the likes of Etihad and British Airways are talking to us and know us throughout the industry as a viable option for their MRO facilities. So it's that's how I see helping the clients out as an all-round situation. I'm a good example of the opportunities that Rubb can provide. I started 18 years ago as an apprentice. I started as a detail draftsman. From there I moved into the MOD market where I became an MOD project manager. From there I became a commercial project manager. I handled some huge jobs from Blue Flame Sporting Club to Sunderland Football Club, West Brom, the hangar at EasyJet, and all the way through the project management I continued to look after the MOD contract. And from there it was with the knowledge of the product, from the design and then the handling of the sites and everything that came with it, it was almost like a natural step to go into sales. I was in sales for a few years, and I was handed the opportunity to manage a sales team, which back then was, you know, there was only 2 of us. We're now 4 strong with a marketing department behind us, and we're making great strides forward. I don't think there's a better example of, if you want opportunities and you're willing to work for it, than what I've done here at my career at Rubb.